Look, we found Griffin. He found some water. Griffin! Come here, big man. Where are you going? Griffin! Griffin, come here, buddy. Good boy. Come here. Oh, that doesn't look fun to cross, does it? Yeah, Griffy, good boy. Okay, guys. Sydney, Toby. Guys. Thank you. Huxley, Sydney, Toby. Here. Thank you. Just settle down, please.